Hey nerds! It's your nerd Nicole here, and we are in Magic Kingdom right outside Adventureland. And in this video, we're just gonna pin trade, look at pins, and then do a pin unboxing at the end of this video. Also, we went to Disney Springs yesterday and we saw some cool pins, some cool merch, so that is also gonna be included in this video. Enjoy!
Okay, so my bad. I only recorded 2 pin trading boards when I was in Magic Kingdom, but I was just having a really fun time. And when I did remember, I took videos, but all the pins that we bought and traded, I will show at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So I just had to put all this merch in this video because it was just too cute. Those little up houses, they're cookie jars. Cookie jars. Ah, so beautiful. And the new Disney backpacks that everyone absolutely adores, like Loungefly, you are doing it right. I love that inside the World of Disney store, they're like putting the merch that matches together in the same section. Love. Also, this is the Mickey's Runaway Rail Train backpack, which if you have to ride the ride, it's so cute. As you can see, like the backpacks and the ears and the shirts and the, all this stuff is like grouped together, so they give you the whole outfit just so you can spend all your money, which you will. Just do it. Just do it. This Beauty and the Beast section was so amazing. So you saw Lumiere, that was like a cake dish or a cookie holder, whatever. And then the wardrobe is a jewelry box. Yes, it is a jewelry box. And it's so cute. Next we have, I think this is a lamp, like a night lamp. And then Cogsworth as a clock, he's an actually functioning clock. And then you have the mug and tea infuser, so the rose end is actually a tea infuser, and I thought it was pretty cool. And of course, Mrs. Potts and Chip, and they are actually a teapot and working teacup. I absolutely adore that they're doing Stitch Cratches Disney, and it's basically Stitch in every movie, just like crashing it, and they have come out with the cutest designs. I love Stitch. I actually spotted this at Epcot when we had gone that night, and this is for their Run Disney collection. They're doing a run, eat, drink, repeat kind of thing to keep kids healthy, but they also have a run that raises money for autism, so that's really cool. This is the Star Wars section at World of Disney store. It has a lot of cute stuff, and if you're looking for anything Baby Yoda, Grogu, the child, it's here. Oh, and we totally bought this Mandalorian figure. It is so worth it. It's $55. Definitely worth it in my book. This is a Kingdom Hearts pin. I know Kingdom Hearts is like really popular among some. So when I saw these two pins, I was like, I have to put it on my channel. Okay, this is still in Disney Springs. It's Star Wars Trading Post. And they used to have a store in the main section, but then they opened this one up. And they both have Star Wars stuff in them, but I like this one better. It has all the new Star Wars stuff in them. The other store has Star Wars stuff, but it's more of like the old stuff. This has all the stuff that you would technically see at the parks and Hollywood Studios and Batu. Also, check out this Darth Vader lightsaber. Yes, it comes with, but not limited to, the hilt, the blade, the wall mount, the hilt stand, and the belt clip. I know, I was just like, I love it, but I already have quite a few lightsabers, so we skipped. Enjoy the next few clips of pins. I love that the Rebel packaging is different from the Imperial packaging. I just think that's such a cute little detail. And when you check out, they will actually like talk to you differently if you're buying something Imperial or Rebel. So I also thought that was kind of cool. I was so excited to find the Mystery Collection Resistance box at Disney Springs because we are blacked out for June and July, so we won't be getting back into the parks until August. So I'm glad that I can at least get some of the new merch here. I thought these pins were so cool. The top right one says Special Forces, Docking Bay 9, and then the one on the left says Specialist, Docking Bay 9. And then this is Kylo Ren, it says Supreme Leader. And then this says FN 0599 Trooper. Right next to the Star Wars Trading Post was the pin traders, and these were the new pins that we saw. And they also had a Marvel section. I love this I Am Groot pin. Look how cool that is. And Rocket. Rocket is one of my favorite characters. This is the new installation that they did in front of Legoland. I thought it was really nice that they got all these characters in such a small space. It was really cute. I needed to know what the hype was about. Everyone hypes about Gideon's Bakehouse, how it's so good, so I had to see it to believe it, you know what I mean? Let me tell you, 100% worth it, 200% worth it, 500% worth it. It was so good. And when you walk in there, it smells like you can be eating, like you are physically eating freshly baked cookies through your nostrils. It is so good. The theming's really nice. I love the atmosphere. It was just beautiful. Just beautiful. Their cakes change daily, so you have to go on their Instagram to see what cakes are available that day. We just happened to have red velvet that day, and it was so good. I got the red velvet. These little containers are their buttercreams. They sell their buttercreams in case you want to dip your cookies in their buttercream, or just eat buttercream, because I love buttercream. These are their cookies. They are, I believe, is half a pound each cookie, and they sprinkle coarse salt on top of them, so you get that little salty sweet in every bite. They also have a Gideon pin, which I thought was really cool. Okay, now that we're back home, I want to show you guys a close-up of all the pins that we bought at Disney Springs and at Magic Kingdom. Let's take a look. Is this up pin set? I absolutely love it. Look at the detail in these pins. I absolutely love it. Look how beautiful these are. I love this one of Ellie. Cat hair, it gets everywhere. Sorry about that. Look how beautiful. So pretty, so vibrant too. I absolutely love these. The other one we got is the Hollywood Studios pin set. We've been wanting this one for a while. We just never took the plunge, but look, it got R2 and C-3PO. You have Tower of Terror. You have Buzz Lightyear. And then you have Rock and Roller Coaster. Love those. And then this, look at this thing. Look, it's actually like Slinky. Slinky that actually slinks. Love, 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 love this one. And then I saw this one, which is Lumiere and Cogsworth. Look how pretty they are. Just shiny and beautiful, and I love them. And then this one's so cute because I have like a balloon section going on. So it's Winnie the Pooh on his balloon. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at him go. Look at him swing. He's got to get the honey. He's so adorable. I love him. This one, I saw it and I'm like, I have to have it. They have a lot of these Mickey and Minnie loved ones, but I just love this. This is just so vibrant in color, and the animation is really close resembled to their new ride, Runaway Rail Train. Mickey's Runaway Rail Train, and that ride is just so cute. I absolutely love it. Then we have this Pinocchio one where you can actually move his little arms and little feet. They're a little stiff because obviously he's new, but see, you can move him. His legs a little bit more. He just needs a little oiling, that's all. But he's so adorable, and I love him so much. And last pin that we bought, my husband actually wanted this one really bad, and it's the original Disney castle. It looks so classy and pretty. It's just Disney. It's like original Disney. Really pretty. All right, now I bought another one of these, the Mystery Resistance collection, and I bought this one in Disney Springs, and they only had this one. They still didn't have the Imperial one, so I really want to go back to Hollywood Studios to get the Imperial one because I just haven't seen it outside of the parks. But this one, yes, this one is available in Disney Springs. $16.99. And as a recap, we have the Black Squadron and the Gold Squadron, and the Gold Squadron is my favorite. But I also wanted to get Rogue Squadron, obviously. All the other ones are great. The only one I don't want is this Republic Navy Rescue one. I really could care less for that one. So let's see what we got. We got Phoenix Squadron. All right, we got Phoenix Squadron. I mean, it's still beautiful. Kind of love it. I think this is from the new movie. And the second one is Rogue Squadron. Yes. Okay, so when I picked up this box, when we were buying them, I was like weighing them, and this one weighed significantly heavier. Look at the... So if your box is heavier than the rest of them, you might be getting one of these Rogue Squadron ones because it is significantly like heavier. I don't know why, but it is heavier than the rest. Yay, I got the Rogue Squadron! Woohoo! I hope my husband doesn't steal this because he probably will. I think he's gonna steal it. But yay! I got my little Rogue Squadrons. So excited. One of our viewers actually really liked this one, so we got him one and we're sending it to him. Shout out to Tofu. Tofu, I hope you like the pins. Let us know which ones you get. I really want to know. We did not unbox it, so he'll just have to let us know what he got when he receives them. All right, now for the traders. Look at these. I got Hops, Judy Hopps, in a little fanny pack. I finally got the Cheshire apple. I have the apple in Maleficent. I don't have her on here, but the Disney apples, Cheshire cat. Yes, I finally found him. I've been wanting him a lot. I have the Maleficent apple, and it's just so pretty. And then this one. Do you know what movie this is from? Leave it in the comments. Tell me what this is and what movie this is from in the comments. And I don't know, we might do a giveaway if you get it right. The other one is this one. This is Space Mountain, 2018 Space Mountain. I love the clean design. I saw it and I was just like, I have to have it. It's just so clean. And then the last one I got is this cute little Dumbo Hidden Mickey. It's just so adorable. So those are all the pins that we have for you today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below about that pin to see if you can win something in our giveaway. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!